What up? Yo, what up, internet? That's so bad. Driving through Oakland right now. I'll pick up my girlfriend. Fentons Creamery in Oakland. Fentons Creamery. We're in Fentons. It is like the greatest ice cream spot in Oakland. Ice cream is colossal here, like gigantic. Oh my goodness. Look at the size of this thing. Watch. Yummy pies. That's where they make the thing. They're making pies. We just came back from Fentons and now we're doing our nightly walk. Excuse me. San Francisco on this side. There's Oakland and the Oakland Coliseum over there on this side.